What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Before the video gets started, go below, hit thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. But today, here in front of us, I'm pretty excited for this because I have had my Anker Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros, which I didn't bring over here, but I promise I have them. They're silver. I've had those for many, many years. I would have to go back on Amazon to see exactly when I purchased them. But I've had those for at least 3 to 4 years. So I'm pretty excited for some new earbuds, and these are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And I'm excited for these because it's a stem type earbud, whereas the Liberty 3 Pros are just kind of a friction fit kind of earbud. There's no stem that hangs out, so I'm hoping these fit a little better in my ear, and they're not so bulky. Now, I'm sure you guys may be wondering, why not like Pixel Buds? Because as of recording this video, I am fully into my review of the Pixel 9 Pro. OnePlus 13 is right over here. There we go. Just a hint here. I'm probably gonna end up back on the OnePlus 13. Just really like that. Why not what does OnePlus call theirs? Buds Pro 3. It's kind of backwards with how Samsung does it. But the truth is, a friend gave me a superb deal on these earbuds. All right, a superb deal that I could not pass up. Brand new in the box. There's the seals. Right, it's not been cracked open. A superb deal, and from the reviews I've seen, these are very, very good. I'm excited to hear the sound quality. I think my Liberty 3 Pro earbuds sound really good. My expectations aren't super, super high with these, even though, I've seen reviews. You guys have seen reviews. Excited to see how the transparency mode is because most of the time when I'm listening to my earbuds, I use transparency mode. So let's go ahead here. This is easy this time, guys. Remember the Pixel unboxing? I had to shake the box and it trolled me. Right, this one's easy. Look, we just peeled this one. Okay, gonna throw that away. This one's just a peel. We don't have to slice it. There we go. Now we may still have to shake it, a little bit. There we go. Aha, there we go. All right. I'm going to pair it to the Pixel since that's what I'm in the middle of reviewing. Ooh! Look at that. Look at that. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Oh. Okay. A little bit different than what I was expecting. I wasn't really sure what to expect, to be honest with you guys. But look at that. Oh, crap. I done forgot how it goes in. Like that. Okay, okay. Case, compact, USB-C charging port. Pretty sure it also has wireless charging. Nice looking case. I like the transparent top, so you can kind of see your earbuds. It's under the top portion of the box, not under that. So yeah, you know what? We'll look through that in a minute, or let's just do it right now. Here's a cable. Won't need that, but at least they include it. Aha! That is so sneaky, Samsung. Look at that. They put this little packaging here in this little sleeve that keeps your cable tidy. Looks like two other pairs. Oh, I got a little bitty edge right there. Can I get it with my finger? Yes! Alright. Now put that back in there. I'm just going to put that back in there. So great. I'm so great at this. Pair new device. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Just like that. It should tell me the battery life, right? Confirm to pair. Yes, pair. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop these in my ear, see how they feel, open YouTube Music, and listen to some tunes, maybe for about 5 minutes, and then I will come back and tell you guys my thoughts. Alright, so I've had a chance to listen to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and I got the app downloaded. That is an app that you will need to download, the Galaxy Wearable app. And once you get that installed, it will prompt you to download the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Manager, so get that installed also. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the app here. I think it's laid out pretty nicely. You can see your battery percentage of the left earbud and the right earbud. If you scroll down, you can change to ambient mode, which is transparency mode, adaptive. The noise canceling is really, really good. You can also adjust the volume, how loud you want the transparency mode to be. I like it cranked all the way up. It does sound really, really good. Definitely better than my Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros. You can turn on or off auto switch to ambient mode if it hears voices like someone talking to you or siren detection. Also use ambient mode during calls. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that one on because I definitely like that. You can also customize the EQ. Now I listened to a couple different songs. Out of the box it will be on balanced, and that sounds pretty good. I think most people will like that. But of course there is bass boosted, smooth, dynamic. I like dynamic. However, the high end was a little too ear piercing for me. They had these top two sliders at a +5, so I brought those back down to a +2. If you guys have Buds 3 Pro and you're curious the type of sound I like, go in here, click dynamic, but these top two sliders bring those down to a +2 instead of +5. I think that sounds really good. There's also a Find My Earbuds feature, which will make your earbuds start beeping once you hit the start button, so it's nice to see that feature. I do believe they have to be connected in some way for this feature to work. Both of mine say connected right there. Now, as you can see here, the difference in the size of the cases, that's a pretty big difference. You know, a lot more portable on the Galaxy Buds case, which I like. I kind of do like the flip-up style, like that, versus the slide. And you kind of have to put your fingers in there to get out the Liberty 3 Pros. Something on my mind as I was listening to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, I don't think I'm going to do a full review of these just because audio is not something, it's not really my cup of tea, as they say. I've only listened to a few earbuds. These do sound very, very good, but the question is, are they worth $250? And that's going to come down to what you're willing to spend. These do have all the features. They sound really good. Transparency mode is fantastic. The noise canceling is very good. Personally, I think you can get a really good set of earbuds for less than $250. But if you're the type of person to have earbuds in your ears all day, every day, or quite frequently, then you may get more value out of spending $250 on a set of earbuds. I didn't pay anywhere near that for these earbuds. As I said earlier in the video, I got a very good deal from a friend on these. And if I had to pay the full price for these earbuds, I definitely am not the type to spend that kind of money on earbuds. So I think that's all I can really say. Again, hit thumbs up on your way out. Let me know what you guys think, which earbuds you use. If you have the Buds 3 Pro, let me know what you think. Hit subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.